Olivia bikes at 8 miles per hour and Terrence bikes at 4 miles per hour. Great solving for getting these two correct. We start solving the equation by cross-multiplying. So we'll have 30 times x equals x plus 4 times 15. Then we distribute 15 to both of these terms to get 30x equals 15x plus 60. We subtract 15x from both sides to get 15x equals 60. And finally, we take our equation and we divide each side by 15 to get x is equal to 4. We know x really represents Terrence's speed. So Terrence's speed is 4 miles per hour. Olivia bikes 4 miles per hour faster than Terrence, so we know she travels at 8 miles per hour.